Have you ever wondered, what is the role of a chief data officer in data governance? Well, grab a cup of coffee and settle in because we're about to dive right into that. The role of the Chief Data Officer, or CDO, has become increasingly prominent as businesses across the globe recognize the immense power of data. But what exactly does a CDO do when it comes to data governance? In essence, the CDO is the captain of the ship, steering the company's data strategy and ensuring that the vast oceans of information are navigable and useful. They are the architects, the builders, and the protectors of the organization's data infrastructure. Firstly, the CDO is responsible for setting the company's data strategy. They need to understand the business's objectives, identify how data can support those objectives, and then develop a strategy to make it happen. This might involve deciding what data to collect, how to collect it, and how to store it securely and efficiently. But setting the strategy is just the beginning. The CDO is also responsible for implementing that strategy. They need to build the data infrastructure, ensuring it's robust, flexible, and fit for purpose. This involves everything from choosing the right technologies and tools to setting up the processes and procedures that will govern how data is used within the organization. But perhaps the most critical role of the CDO in data governance is as the guardian of the company's data. They must ensure the data is accurate, reliable, and secure. This involves implementing rigorous data quality checks, setting up robust security measures, and ensuring compliance with all relevant laws and regulations. The CDO also plays a crucial role in promoting a data-driven culture within the organization. They need to ensure that everyone in the company understands the value of data, knows how to use it responsibly, and is equipped with the skills and tools they need to leverage it effectively. So, to summarize, the role of a Chief Data Officer in data governance is multifaceted. They are strategists, setting the company's data direction. They are builders, creating the infrastructure that enables the organization to harness the power of data. They are protectors, ensuring the data is accurate, secure, and used responsibly. They are educators, promoting a data-driven culture within the organization. In the era of big data, the role of the CDO in data governance is more critical than ever. They are the ones who can turn the raw data into strategic insights, drive data-driven decision-making, and ultimately help the company navigate the data-driven future. So the next time you hear the title Chief Data Officer, remember, they're the ones steering the ship.